Hi, this is Raman and welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at how to trade using support and resistance. This is the easiest way to trade Forex. It doesn't require too much analysis and this can be quite profitable at the same time. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to trade using support and resistance. Here we're looking at how to trade using simple support and resistance. Using support and resistance is one of the easiest ways to trade because we are not looking for any complicated indicators. We're just purely looking for simple support and resistance, which is nice and easy to see. In this case, we see that price is moving lower here and then pulls back into this support and resistance area, falls off of that area, goes and pushes back into this area, and then we get this big bearish engulfing candle close. This is our support resistance level. So when price is on the way down, price has trouble here before it drops, comes back into the same level, struggles with it, cannot go to the other side, drops, tries to go through it again and then cannot do it. So this is our support and resistance level. All we're doing is looking for these areas where price struggles, which is our support resistance area. Once we see that price is reacting to that area, it drops off of that. We look for a bit of a pullback here with our bearish engulfing candle close, and we take an entry short because now we're looking for price to stay below this resistance level because it has stayed below this level for all this time. So we take an entry short. Our stop would go above our support resistance area just in case price comes and tests this level once again. And we stay with the trade as price moves lower. Once we see that price comes into the next support and resistance area here and price starts to stay above this level. That's all we're looking for. Price just stays above this level and then it gives us this bullish engulfing candle close. There are multiple pins into the support level. This shows that price is not likely to break the support, so we exit our trade. So just to recap here, all we're looking for is trading simple support and resistance. We look for an area where price is struggling with. In this case, price has trouble going above this level. So we wait for this candle close here. This is a bearish engulfing candle close. So we look for a bit of a pullback and we enter our trade short. And then we're looking for price to continue on into the next support and resistance area. In this case, we see that the price comes into this level here and then holds above this level. And we see this bullish candle close here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 123 pips in the trade. So our profit is 123 pips or $1,230 when trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today and I'll see you next time.